Hello mga kababayan, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Laruan ni Obi-Wan. So for a toy customizer, we really have a lot of accessories that we could use by purchasing a Andros figure. So even if you're not a Power Rangers Lightning Collection fan or a collector of the Lightning Collection series, then you still have a very good base figure and the accessories that comes with it. Really loaded figure. But primary, I'm going to use this coat, and the other accessories I want it for my custom action figure ideas. But primarily, let's deal with the figure because I've already watched several of the videos online, and I know that this is really a very nice posable figure. With this Andros figure, this coat with the hood really looks like a bathrobe. So I know the concept behind, especially the episode that is associated with this figure, but in execution, somehow it's the figure and this accessory just isn't a match. Anyway, you still have a coat that you could use for another figure and a very fine Andros figure underneath that coat. So let's take it off. So very simple attachment point. Okay, so if you have this head on, of course you don't expect not so much of articulation because of the hair, that the head portion or the head scalp is going to suffer in terms of posability. But with the body, it is very posable. As for the butterfly joints, that is really something to be desired. If you are an action figure collector, this is what you are looking for, especially for a black figure like this. So with regards to execution on the articulation point on the body, I love how they put the ab crunch on the lower part instead of the over here. So usually on action figures, we have the waistline cut here for abdominal rotation, but with this figure we don't have that. The body rotation or abdominal rotation would be on the upper diaphragm over here, but with this we have the diaphragm bend. And look at that, the amount of articulation or bend that you could do with this figure. And for backward bends, really clean bend too. So no humps, no bumps, or no break in the design of the figure. Especially in Marvel Legends, once you do the waist articulation, you move it to the side, the waistline would be distorted. So the design would be distorted, and but with this action figure, whatever pose that you do, actually the anatomy does not really break. You still have that human anatomy in form, so you don't have any sharp edges that poke through, especially when you are doing action figure poses. So we also have wide bends for the leg, enough articulation for the leg to go up. Of course, we're going to have limited articulation for backward kicks because of the back design. So 2 points of articulation on the elbows, 2 points of articulation on the knee. We have thigh cut for circular movement. We have even boot cut. We have a joint for the foot, and we have rocker. We have a bicep cut. We have a rotation for the hands and the hinge, and we also have other extra pairs of hands. But compared to a Marvel Legends figure, so the other reviews were really right with regards to this one. This is a really nicely articulating figure. So before we really do a lot on the talking points, let's just do the photos and the video shots.